Hi everyone. Today we will learn about the two sample t-test or independent sample t-test. Two sample t-test purpose test the populations represented by the two group sample have a different population mean. For example 1, MBBS student have higher GPAs than dentistry students. Another example is MBBS student score higher than nursing graduates of GATE exam. Consider an example for solving the problem through SPSS. The resting heart rates beats per minute were measured in a sample of women smokers and non-smokers at a state university. There were 14 smokers and 18 non-smokers women in the sample. Was there a significant difference in the resting heart rate of the two groups? Use alpha level 0.05. The hypothesis of this example is null is there is no significant difference in the mean resting heart rates between smokers women and the non-smoker women at the state university. And the alternative hypothesis, there is no significant difference in mean resting heart rates between smoker women and non-smoker women at the state university. First, we open the SPSS and create variables. In variables view, first we create the first variable serial number, and the second variable is smoking status, and the third variable is resting heart rate. The type of all variables is numeric and with 8 and decimal places 2. The label of first variable is serial number, and the second variable is smoking groups, and the third variable is resting heart rates. The values column, we fill only the categorical variables. Our categorical variable is smoking status, and missing columns variable, alignment variable, and major variable and role variables. For values, we press the button of values of second variable smoking status and put the one value for smoker and 8, press the button 8, and the second value for the non-smoker and press the button 8 and press button OK. In SPSS data view, we enter the values of the data. Our 14 smoker women resting heart rates and 18 non-smoker women resting heart rates. The SPSS option for independent sample t-test or two sample t-test. First go to analyze, then go to compare means, and then go to independent sample t-test. When you press the independent sample t-test option, the independent sample t-test window pop up. The step 1 is independent sample t-test window is move your resting heart rate variable or in test variables and group variable in group smoking status variable in group variables. When you move group variable in smoking status, double question marks show the value for smoking status, smoker and non-smoker women. Press the button data groups and data groups window is open. Group 1 means smoker. We put the value of smoker here 1 and the group 2 non-smoker women. We put the value 2 here for non-smoker and continue, press the button continue and press the button OK. When we OK, the output window viewer show the results of independent sample t-test. In independent sample t-test, first table show the group statistics. In group statistics, both groups sample size N14 and 18 and both groups means 83 and 72 and both group standard deviation and standard error of mean show. The second table independent sample t-test show the F value, significance value of F and the T values and degree of freedom and significance two tail. Significant two tails value means the P value. P value is 0.006. It's mean there is a difference between the women resting mean resting heart rate between two groups, smoker women and non-smoker women. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.